your pace. We'll cut off his brush, and we'll peg out his hide, and we'll plant us a first bush to show where he died. Beyond the wide reaches of Howgate Mire, he led us a chase till the best of us time. He led us a chase for 6 hours at full cry, but now, like the evening sun, he must die. Blow a coin, Joe! Blow a coin to hang it up! Blow a coin, Joe! Blow a coin to hang it up! Blow a coin! Blow a coin! Blow a coin to hang it up! Oh, canoes! No baby syllables! Oh, canoes! No baby syllables! No baby syllables! No baby syllables! No baby syllables!